Last year, November, NTV ran a story on the dangers caused by the poor disposal of masks, which are pivotal in offering protection against COVID-19 but also putting a strain on the environment. Scientists say these masks contain plastic elements which have horrific effects on the environment. The National Environment Authority, Youth Go Green and GIZ have a campaign on disposing these face masks properly.
In Uganda, 600 tons of plastics are consumed every day. And this statistic was before the arrival of COVID-19. With the addition of the masks, you can imagine what the situation is now. In Kampala alone, 1,500 tons of waste are generated daily. And it's estimated that in the urban areas, waste generation per capita stands at around 1 kilogram per day.
With the help of the Ministry of Health, the innovation will start in Gulu and Kampala.
He strictly picks those two cities because you are aware that the population is very high and the young people are therefore at risk.
It will also ensure that communities are taught on how to properly dispose of things like face masks, gloves, and other medical items.
I believe these interventions are going to even go a long way in preventing other diseases. Like for example, in the past 2 years, cholera, which had become an endemic in Kampala, in the past 2 years, just by washing hands, observing the SOPs, we've not had an episode or an epidemic of cholera.
GIZ is funding the project.
In addition to these partnerships, Nature's Uganda is working with the National Planning Authority to monitor the progress of green growth in Uganda. The Uganda 2020 Green Growth Report is to be released in March as part of Uganda Water Week and focuses on stimulating resource use efficiency in manufacturing and waste management for sustainable development.
Raymond Tamale, NTV.
Distinguished chief guest.